Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, update on DJT, Trump Media Stock, aka the Donald Trump stock here. We have a very nice squeeze situation, so I want to give you here an update based on the chart. Why I expect the price to come down a little bit more before we could see a big short squeeze, and that we still not over the price levels which we need to see a big squeeze. But of course the stock is pumping already here, and total when we see that here more than 60%, almost 70%. So I give you here an updated prediction for the price levels based on the chart. And as you know, this is not financial advice. Yeah guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually talk here about short squeeze stocks, and while I'm recording this video here for DJT, one of my hot stocks is already squeezing right now 112%. I always release my hot stock videos here on Sunday, and we have actually right now here a pump of already 112%, guys. So let's see if also DJT can squeeze, and if yes, where are the price goals? So let's dive into the chart. Nothing changed here. If you see saw my previous videos, all the price levels are the same. We had this very important Fibonacci level here waiting at $17.40. I said that we have a very good chance to see a squeeze here. Also, my price level got triggered, guys. $12.83 is, in my opinion, the make it or break it price level. Everything also below $12.83 is absolute in favor for a squeeze, guys. And we have still some open gaps. So when we just start to talk about the bear case, that we see a rejection here, I will of course let you know all the price levels. But the bear case is, guys, that we come back down here below $12.83 and even a little bit below $10, because we have open gaps here which we have to close. And that's why also I expect DJT to come down a little bit more before we see a massive squeeze. We don't have to. Maybe the squeeze gets already initiated right now. The volume is good. The average trading volume is 12.7 million shares. Now we have already 31 million shares, so more than double. But it is not enough for a big short squeeze, guys. I'm very honest with you. But now what we can see is that we had our technical reaction here, just one candle, one fake out candle here below my price goal of $12.83, and immediately the next day we had here this kind of squeeze reaction, as I showed you before, in total 67%. So the resistance price levels, guys. Let's first talk about the resistance, because everybody wants to know, can we see a short squeeze here for DJT? Yes, we can, guys. 100% we can see a short squeeze here, but we have to break several price levels. This is very important. That's why I always recommend never to FOMO into stocks. You can see we had a lot of squeeze attempts here also for DJT before we had this absolute massive incredible run here, and you can see where the price levels are. One of the resistance price levels is $18.98, and you can see that the market makers start to gap up the price in the pre-market above this price level. We tried yesterday here, got rejected, and I will show you the 4 hours chart that we see the pre-market price action, because we're really fighting here now to get over this price range. The problem is that one of the main resistance is waiting here. This EMA line is also a very strong resistance, guys, $20.23. And you can see that also we had 2 squeeze attempts here before. So everything here in the $20 range is a resistance for DJT. As I said, I would say $18.98. This is what the market makers, the bearish market makers, try to do to keep the price below that price range. That means, guys, if we come with volume over this price level here, and if we don't get rejected here at $20.20, then we could see here a very nice pump. There is just one resistance waiting, in my opinion. When I see the chart here, there is nothing, guys. There is no accumulation zone. So when we start to pump here with volume, then DJT has a chance to go back here in the $30 range. Here $33 is the next price level which I see for the stock. The golden pocket is untested, so $35, between $32 and $35 is at least the price goal which I expect. And that's why I said already here in my previous videos, I talk about the squeeze already here. By the end of September, I released my video and said, hey guys, we have here a very good squeeze situation. And that's why I said we have here a squeeze range of 200% and even a little bit more is possible here. Of course, everybody maybe want to hear higher price levels. You can see, yeah, there are higher price levels in the chart, but I don't like to talk about these price levels when we're still trading here above the yeah, the first resistance levels here. That's why I don't want to talk about higher prices, but yes, it is of course possible to see a price over $35. So guys, when we dive here in the 4 hours chart, by the way guys, if we get rejected here for DJT, if we get rejected and come back one more time, as I said, no worries guys, I have a lot of short squeeze stocks in my pocket, which I'm showing here every week. And as I said, the most popular ones here are my so-called hot stocks. I upload these videos every Sunday, and these videos, or the tickers in those videos, have high squeeze potential. As I just said here in the beginning of the video, already one of my tickers is also squeezing this week. We had 2 squeezes last week. Today is Tuesday. Here we have the next squeeze. I released this video here on Sunday, and you can see this ticker in our green liquidity zone. So it's very predictable where the squeeze happens here. Boom, 112% while I'm recording this video, guys. So if you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can of course join in here our trading community. I have 2 memberships here on my channel, but the much more popular membership is the full package membership on Patreon. We have also much more members here because you get access here to all my member videos. I also have content for AMC and Gamestop and other stocks, and of course my hot stocks are available here. And my trading alerts, which I only post on Patreon. Trading alerts are simple screenshots, also with squeezable tickers here, just in addition to the hot stocks, where you also get here information like price levels, exit, buy in liquidity zones, stop loss price levels, and so on. And this is just one example where we also had a 218% squeeze after I released this on Patreon. The thing is, guys, Patreon will increase the prices, so everybody who joined in before November 1st has to pay any additional price increasements. Yeah, this is not my fault. Patreon is doing that. They announced that already. So they will increase the membership fees by 30%. This is massive, guys. But if you join in before November 1st, you don't have to pay these additional 30%. So if you want, guys, check it out. The links are here in the video description. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome to join here our trading community. We have already more than 1,000 members. So just join in if you want to become a part of this community. So guys, and when we zoom in here now for DJT in the 4 hours chart, very interesting, because as I just said, the market makers don't want to bring the price over $18.98. I could be totally wrong. Maybe my chart is completely messed up, but I predicted so many squeezes here, so it is quite predictable what they try to do. And you can see we never had a full green candle body over $18.98. And while I'm doing this, they still try to keep the price below this price level. This is not a coincidence, guys. When you see something like this happen, you could say, yeah, but the market makers had a green candle. No, guys, we need a full green candle body over this price range. This is not a full green candle body. This is not a full green candle body. This is a red candle. This is just a wick. You know what I mean, guys, right? So this is what they try to do. They try to keep the price below. And as I mentioned before, there is one resistance waiting here at $20.20 or here 86 cent here in that range. But then if we don't get stopped out here, and if we have enough buying volume, it looks pretty good, then $23 and much higher price levels are possible for DJT. As I said, we have some bear case scenarios here. The price gapped up, so it is very likely to happen sooner or later that we come back down here to $16.51 and close this gap. And as I said, I personally wait for this liquidity zone. If we should come down here to $10 or $8.97, guys, then I will load the boat massively. This is not financial advice, but I'm very sure that we can see here a squeeze for DJT if they don't dilute the stock. This is very important. If they start to dilute the stock, then of course every squeeze momentum could be killed. You know what happened to AMC and other stocks when they start to dilute. This whole squeeze environment gets messed up, and this is also what could happen here. But as long as they don't dilute, we have a very strong support here between $12.83 and, in my opinion, $9, guys. I will keep you updated here on DJT. So let's track the stock. Let's see if we can break $18.98 today. And if we really can close with a full candle body over this price range. If you want, guys, of course, you can copy here the price levels from my chart. This is here everything based on TradingView. If you want to learn trading, guys, join our community and get your own TradingView access. This is very important. You have to understand what the chart is doing. That's why I use TradingView for all my videos and all my own trades. If you also want to get TradingView, I can offer you here a discount link. I am not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but when you use this link, you save $15 and I always recommend the premium subscription. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, that was my update. Don't forget to check out here our hot stocks, and if you like this video, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates on DJT or other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I wish you great success with your trades. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute, bleibt gesund und geschmeidig und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.